A minimalist definition of divine aseity would be that God is a self-existent being. That is to say, he depends upon nothing else for his existence. He is an uncaused being. The attribute of divine necessity is different than that. Necessity states that something exists in all possible worlds, that it is impossible for it not to exist. Now, something could be self-existent in the actual world and yet not exist in every possible world. Similarly, something could exist in every possible world, but in some possible worlds be caused to exist by a self-existent being in those worlds. For example, so-called absolute creationists think that abstract objects like numbers and propositions and properties exist necessarily, but they are caused by God to exist. So they are necessary beings, but not self-existent beings. And so I think that a full and robust doctrine of divine aseity should include not only mere self-existence, but also metaphysical necessity, that God is a necessary being who is the source of existence for everything else that exists besides himself.